All the chicken goes into a stainless steel bowl for the next step. Yeah, I want you to search chicken on this channel and you're going to find the secret dry rub. Oh yeah. Oh, the same chicken a few hours later. Going to be transferring it over here to this wire rack roasting pan. We're going to let it roast and let all that fat reduce down off the chicken into a much healthier recipe. I'm just going to mix up a few pieces here like this, and then we'll use a second pan for some of the other parts. There's just too much. So we got a lot going on here. It's a huge chicken. We'll use 2 of these pans like this. Oh yeah. Oh yes, cast iron again. Good for your health. And wow, so easy to cook on. Oh, look at that chicken. You can see by using the rack, I have kept a lot of the fat down underneath. So that's where the rack comes in handy. Look at that. Cast iron marinated chicken breast, caramelized onions, eggplant parmesan, marinara reduction, a little bit of fresh greens on there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Let's take a closer look. Doing some prep in the kitchen, and I thought I'd share some things that I like and don't like about this chicken right here. So yeah, somewhere between 8 ounces and 16 ounces of juice. I don't like that. Now there's some directions, there's a bunch of things here. There's some misinformation here. I'll zoom in on it for you and show you what I'm talking about here. You cook your chicken to 160, 165 around there, and you check the center of the breast. So the breast is the biggest part. This requires a little bit of mise en place and basic preparation. It's just a stainless steel tip thermometer. Wham! You poke it in the middle of the breast, goes up to 165, it's done. Use digital if you want, it doesn't matter. It will not improve your cooking. And you're going to save maybe a few seconds. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm using a cutting board with a juice groove. That's recommended. Now, you want to make a cut on the left and on the right of the backbone. And the last step, you want to find the joint between the leg and the thigh. Get your knife right into that joint. Give a little whack right there. Check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Get the best butcher block made. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm using one of these Staub Dutch ovens today, and yeah, it's gonna be really, really nice. Excellent heat transfer, heavy duty cast iron. Wow. Oh yes, cast iron again. Good for your health, and wow, so easy to cook on. A little bit of fresh greens on there. Oh. American Dark Walnut, custom sizes. Contact sponsor. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food-safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. This is where all the flavor lies, right here on the tip of this knife. There's more in the bean, of course, but this is the good stuff right here, and I wanted you to be aware of this and where to get it. You might want to make your own vanilla extract. You might be doing some creme brulees, soufflés, cakes, desserts, meringues, or whatever have you. This is the best you're going to get right there. Wow! Okay, once again, I got the vanilla going on. This is actually a 10 bean pack. It's the best. I want to show you, this is some extract I made. I dropped a few beans in this rum and simple syrup mixture. This has been going now for about a year. Really, really nice. I suggest you use a tall bottle like this. Works really well. Perfect gifts for the holidays. And while we're at it, we should mention this is the best vanilla extract you'll ever buy. I know the prices are expensive. Everything's sky high, but right now, seek out the quality. Yeah, right there. They've got it in stock. They've got some other fine products, like this is pure Madagascar vanilla powder. So you're wondering, well, what am I going to do with the powder? Well, it depends what you're cooking and what you're making, but you might take a tablespoon of this and put this in your favorite pound cake, muffins, batters, soufflés, whatever have you, or just a protein shake. It's really, really good. It's the good stuff. Madagascar bourbon vanilla bean powder. Where do you get it? Well, chefs around the world have been scoring the best vanilla beans for several decades at the sponsor. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Edible art. And don't forget, all things Butcher Block from your sponsor. Butcher Block, edge grain, end grain, love it. The best working surface for your kitchen. Professional chef, home gourmet, doesn't matter. Butcher Block, check it out. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the Butcher Blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. And grilled chicken. It's going to be good. Search the channel. Just put in chicken recipes, barbecue sauce, all kinds of different chicken dishes going on. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. That's the dry rub right there. I'm not going to tell you what's in there because I want you to search the channel and look at the different chicken recipes. Some of them have all the ingredients listed in the dry rub. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. It's going to be moist, juicy, flavorful, unlike what you're getting out of the deep fryer. KFC and Browns and Popeyes and all this other crazy stuff that's going on out there. You don't know what you're eating. I heard, I might have seen it on the internet, but I heard that Chick-fil-A chicken breast sandwich has over 40 ingredients. Can you even imagine 40 ingredients? What do I have here? Whole chicken, salt, pepper, and spices. That's it. That's healthy. Oh, yeah. Subscribe right here. Search the channel. Oh, it's going to be good.